It's a freaking book, Jana. You want to throw your phone next?
Yes.
No, it's mine.
Oh, crap.
You're
Just gonna like that on. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's a 5 yet?
It's 4:40. Timmy, you've got this, Timmy. I'm gonna like that.
You have problems. I don't. I can tell that you're irritated because of your voice, by the way.
What?
What's wrong, Lily?
I can't get the pickle.
You can't get it out?
I got it.
Okay. Also, we need to clean the kitchen. When I clean the kitchen, I mean... Hey! That's good.
Hey, I can put a weave in your hair.
I'm not black.
Whoa! Girl, don't make me pull out your wig.
Oh, crap.
What does this do?
No, don't do that! Jana!
Ew, that's nasty.
Are you okay? I've had a few too many Jellos.
Oh, I see. I guess I've had a little too many too.
They don't have alcohol in them. I don't know. Too much sugar.
Could you help me up?
Yeah, sure. Remember, you're not supposed to have a few grams of sugar a day. It's not good for you. This always happens.
This always happens, and it's not nice.
Why don't
of
you
to
take a
point-
nap?
It's not nice of you to point it out. No, get away from me.